I wanna know how we became so distant, girl. The way we fell in love, it was almost instant. I'm trying to find a way around it. Girl, tell me how you feel about.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy SRXGS and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an updated room tour. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Behind my door, I like to hang my go-to bags, that being my mini Supreme shoulder bag and a couple of my favorite tote bags. To the right of my door, we have my mirror from Target. I've been meaning to get a new one, but for now, this one will do. Next to my mirror, we have my clothing rack from IKEA. This is a new addition to my room. I recently started doing YouTube full-time, so I like to keep all the clothes that I have to shoot in hanging on here. It kind of acts as a reminder, and it's just nice having some of my favorite pieces being displayed. Below the clothes, I like to keep my shoes I'm rocking that week, as well as my gym bag and this theory bag that's just filled with things I need to sort out. As you move down, we have this box that is filled with PR gifts. And underneath that, we have boxes that are filled with things from my own clothing line. If you guys didn't know, I have my own brand, so this is where I store all of the inventory. I also keep all of the packing supplies in the boxes as well. Definitely not the most visually appealing thing, to be quite honest. However, I kind of like it displayed because, you know, it's a humbling thing to just see it every day and know like, hey, you did this type of thing. Be sure to follow my brand on Instagram at IndecisivClo because we have some awesome stuff coming out, so stay tuned. Moving over to my sleeping area, I have this huge, awesome window that lets in so much natural light. As for my bedding situation, I like to keep things neutral in terms of color. So my bedding as well as my throw blanket is from IKEA. The pillowcases are from Target and this pillow from the hundreds. The actual bed frame is also from IKEA. It was definitely an investment, but I personally believe it really adds something to my room. Kind of gives it a more mature vibe. And right above my bed, I have this DIY inspiration board that I just recently updated. I love this art piece so much because not only is it visually appealing, but it was so fast and easy to make, and it was super affordable as well. My desk area is probably my favorite part of my room. I just recently got this desk from World Market on sale for a little over $70. I just love this color as well as the overall design aesthetic. My chair is from Amazon and I believe this guy was super inexpensive as well. On top of my desk, I just like to keep my bullet journal, my laptop, and this concrete cup holder thing from CB2. Inside of my desk, I like to keep all of my loose bits. I'll keep some important documents, tech accessories, as well as some personal photos of my family and friends. Above my desk is this lack that I just recently got put in. Big shout out to my brother-in-law for installing this for me. The actual lack itself is from IKEA. On top of it, I just have this plant that is also from IKEA, this candle from HomeGoods, a book I got when I used to work at Starbucks, this CTG wallet box that holds all my coins, a Polaroid camera, and this awesome minimalist calendar I got from Target. I like how not only is this shelving system visually appealing, but majority of the items do serve an actual purpose. Last but definitely not least is my closet. I kind of want to do something different. I want to create another video where I walk you guys through my entire closet, you know, share with you guys my thought process in terms of organizing, tell you guys where everything is from, and even pull out and showcase my favorite pieces. So comment down below if that's a video you guys would be down for, and I'll be sure to film that for you guys. But until then, here's a quick overview of my closet. And that's it for my updated room tour. Majority of the things in my room are super affordable and easy to recreate. So hopefully this video served as some sort of inspo for you guys. Comment down below which area of my room was your favorite. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this. And until next time, peace.